Public health insurance made some news last week when the Association of Public Health Insurance published a press release saying that 17 billion euros will be missing to fund public health insurance next year. The majority of this 17 billion is supposed to be paid by people insured in the public health insurance. We don't know anything specific yet, but everyone insured in the public system will probably pay a lot more next year than they do this year. All while private health insurance is getting 25,000 euros richer every minute because of the seniority savings. Julian, what do you think about the future of German health insurance, especially after the pandemic?
Yeah, great question. I think it comes down to kind of looking at the bigger picture. Population in Germany is aging. I think the median age is over 45 right now, and we're coming into a situation where we have a relatively high amount of old people that want to use health benefits from the public health insurance system, while the amount of people that are working and contributing to finance the system is decreasing. And that, of course, is putting a lot of stress on the public health insurance sector. And now there are basically two options. One option is to reduce the benefits for everybody, so make the coverage worse and reduce cost by that measure. And the second one that you mentioned, and I think that is going to be coming up, is putting more money into the system. That money has to come from somewhere. So it is likely that rates on public health insurance will increase. At the same time, especially for those people that are young and for those people that may not want to stay in Germany for their whole entire life, private health insurance is becoming more interesting because it can potentially be less expensive in some situations because the contributions there work differently and are usually not based on your income, but rather based on your age, and that can really give you some added flexibility. But in the end, I think this is a common problem that we're seeing all around Europe. One thing that we're trying to do is to work with public health insurance companies to try and make the system as efficient as possible, and make sure that that maybe costs can also be reduced to making things more digital, which is something that Germany, I think, still has to do some catch up on.